Hi, I'm Jason and this is Technique of the Week. Now it's been a while since you've seen me on Technique of the Week, but hey, we got a beautiful day in Ohio and we're ready to go. So today we're going to be showing you a trick with Firebrick. So we got Firebrick, we use these a lot of times, in fire pits and different things like that. We're going to be showing you a trick to help them bond better and to make it a lot easier when you're pouring. The Firebrick are very porous, so they absorb a lot of moisture. So if you put them, in your fire pit, wetting them down first, that's the trick. Getting them soaked with water, kind of fills all these pores up. It gets it wet, and then that'll allow it to not, when the concrete goes against it or the mortar, it doesn't suck the moisture out of that right away, and you get a lot better bond. So to do that, I just have my tub here. And we're just going to stick them in the tub. And these Firebrick, they'll actually fizz when they're first go in there, and when they stop fizzing, that means it's time to pull them out. Okay, looks like they're all done. Now, what I like to do then is either stand them up or try to get most of the standing water off of them. So we don't want to go straight from this to where the truck is coming, and we got to put them right in there. So I like to do this, stand them up, get all that standing water off of them. Won't take long, and we'll be ready to go. Well, that's it for this week's Technique of the Week. Man, we appreciate you guys watching these videos. And if you like this and think this is helpful, please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate that. Till next time, see you later.